a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in Big Bend of Florida, northeastern Leon County in Big Bend of Florida, southeastern Grady County in southwestern Georgia, Thomas County in Georgia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Thomasville to 11 miles southeast of Monticello, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monticello, Thomasville, Boston, Ocklacknee, Alma, Dills, Thomasville Municipal Airport, Dillon, Lamont, Everett, Nash, Rocky Hill, Miccosukee, Ionia, Dresden, Casablanca, Hogina, Lake Miccosukee, Fincher, and Moncrief. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tallahassee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Florida, Jefferson and Leon, and the following counties: in Georgia.